because this really is a get up and go type unit. I did customize all the fronts. Okay, do y'all see that? Yes, she did that, honey. She did that. Yes. But yeah, y'all, like, this hair, I'm not gonna have y'all going to spend no coins. Okay? No coins that you're gonna be mad you spent. I'm not gonna have y'all out here in the streets like that. So I would definitely say, and this is Miss Lula's Peruvian deep wave. Yes. Don't quote me on that. Like I said, I'm put the, I'm put the link, put all of the stuff in the description bar. But I was asked about this hair, and this is she. This is her. Like I said, you can wear her like this, honey. You can put stuff like this in her and really define the curl even more, make it even flatter, or you can comb her all the way out like a blowout, like I did on the previous video. I will insert some pictures so y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. What she looks like all blown out, honey. I think I might have a picture of her when I straightened her, because I did attempt to straighten it. It didn't get bone straight. You know, this is like some really good curl. Like, if you want curly hair, this is some good curly hair. If you want straight hair, just get straight hair, and you can wear straight and put curls in it. But no, this did not come super straight, and that is okay with me. But she did curl back up real nicely. I have not lost any of the curl. The frontal is still as curly as the bundles, and vice versa, honey. And I'm just really zigging her like this. Like, come on. Anyway, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to keep y'all too long because I know y'all got things to do. Okay, places to go, people to see. All right, bundles to you know, all that good stuff. Okay, I don't even know where I was going with that, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, y'all, I will catch y'all in the next one. Any questions that you have that my little black behind did not answer, leave them in the comment section, and I will make sure I get back to you. Peace and blessings and love and all of that good stuff, honey. Good foods, good sex, good all of that. Anyway, I will catch y'all in the next one.